everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I share the video about explanation of our quiz from the last meeting, that is about addition and subtraction of unlike fraction, and then addition and subtraction of mixed number, and the last is about multiplication and division of fraction. But before we study, let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's study. Okay, 2/3 plus 1/4. This is the unlike fraction because the denominator is different. So we must find the LCM first. LCM of 3 and 4. So we must find the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, it's mean 3 times 1 become 3. 3 times 2 becomes 6. 3 times 3 become 9. 3 times 4 become 12, and so on. And then how about multiples of 4? The multiples of 4, so 4 times 1 become 4. 4 times 2 become 8. 4 times 3 become 12. So we get the same number. The LCM is 12. The LCM is 12. Because the LCM is 12, so we can find the equivalent fraction or the new fraction. Because the LCM is 12, so in the bottom number or denominator is 12. After this, we can find the new fraction. Look at the first fraction, 2/3. We must find the new fraction of 2/3. Look at this in the bottom number, 12. 3 times blah 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 become 12. It's mean 3 times 3. 3 times 4 become 12. Because in the bottom number times 4, so in the top number must multiply by 4. So 2 times 4 become 8. We can put number 8 here. How about the second fraction? I will change the color first. Look at the second fraction, 1/4 become blah 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 12. Look at the second fraction, 4 times blah 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 become 12. So 4 times 3. 4 times 3 become 12. Because in the bottom number times 3, so in the top number times 3. 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals to 3. So we can put number 3 here. After this, so we can look at the new fraction. This is the new fraction, 8/12 plus 3/12. This is the bottom number is already same. So we can adding the top number, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11, and then for the bottom is 12. So the answer is A. Okay, number 2, it's about fraction of the shape. Look at this. Express the shape that is colored into fraction. Because the colored, so we can look at the colored. The first shape, look at this. How many parts is colored? 1, 2 part, and then how many parts all together? 1, 2, 3. So the fraction for this shape is 2/3. And then how about this shape? Because this is addition, so this is addition. Look at this. How many part is colored? 1. Only 1. And then how many parts all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4. So the answer is 2/3 plus 1/4. 2/3 plus 1/4. Number 2, the answer is B. Yeah. Now for the number 3, there is the true-false question. Yeah, the question is 2/3 minus 1/2 equals to 1/1. Is it right or no? So we must find 2/3 minus 1/2. Okay, 2/3 minus 1/2. Nah, look at this. This is unlike fraction because the denominator is difference. So we must find the LCM first. LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2, yeah. So we must find the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, so 3 times 1 become 3. 3 times 2 becomes 6, and so on. Yeah. How about multiples of 2? Multiples of 2, so 2 times 1 is 2. Then 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6, and so on. So we get the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Yeah, the LCM is 6. Now, because the LCM is 6, so we must find the new fraction. Because this is subtraction, so this is subtraction. Yeah, the LCM is 6, so in denominator is 6. Yeah, same with number 1, so we must find the new fraction. Look at the first fraction here. Yeah, the first fraction. Look at the bottom number. 3 times blah 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 becomes 6. 3 times 2 becomes 6. Because in the bottom number times 2, so in the top number must times 2. 2 times 2 become 4. So we can put number 4 here. Now, how about the second fraction? Now, the second fraction is 1/2. Become blah 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 6. Look at the bottom number. 2 times blah 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 becomes 6. 2 times 3. Yeah, because in the bottom number times 3, so in the top number times 3. 1 times 3 become 3. Yeah, this is 3. Yeah. 1 times 3 become 3. So we can put number 3 here. Now, look at this. The denominator is already same. So we can subtraction the top number. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 become 1. And then for the bottom number still 6. So 2/3 minus 1/2 equals to 1/6, not 1/1. So the answer is false. Okay. Okay, number 4. Sasi buys 1/2 kilogram of egg. She also buys 3 kilogram of flour. What is the total mass of egg and the flour that she buys? Now, how to do this one? Now, look at this. What is the total? The total is mean the addition. So 1/2 plus 3/8. How to do this one? Same with number 1, so we must find the LCM first because this is unlike fraction. Yeah, so find the LCM of 2 and 8. Now the multiples of 2 is 2 times 2. 2 times 1 2. 2 times 2 4. 2 times 3 6. 2 times 4 8, and so on. How about the multiples of 8? 8 times 1 8. Now we can get the LCM here. The LCM is 8. Yeah, the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Now, because the LCM is 8, so we can find the new fraction. Yeah, the new fraction. Okay, because the LCM is 8, so in the bottom number is 8. Okay, after this, look at the first fraction. Now, look at the bottom number. 2 times blah 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 become 8. 2 times 4. Yeah. Now, because in the bottom number times 4, so in the top number times 4. 1 times 4 become 4. So we can put number 4 here. Yeah. How about the second fraction? 3/8 become blah 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 8. Nah, look at the bottom number, it's same ya. 8 times blah 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 become 8. 8 times 1. Yeah, times 1. Because in the bottom number times 1, so in the top number times 1. 3 times 1 become 3. So we can put number 3 here. Now, look at the new fraction here. The new fraction. 4/8 plus 3/8. The denominator is already same, so we can adding the top number. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. And the bottom still 8. Yeah, so the answer is 7/8 here. 7/8. Don't forget about the keyword of addition, subtraction, then multiplication and division, because this is total, so this is a okay. Number 5, it's word problem again. Yeah, Dika walks 5-6 kilometers from home to school. Jordan walks 3-8 kilometers from home to school. How much farther does Dika walk than Jordan? Okay, because farther there is er here. More, Nah, this is the keyword of subtraction. Yeah, so we can subtracting Dika minus Jordan. Yeah, farther than. So this is the keyword of subtraction. Dika minus Jordan. 5/6 minus 3/8. Yeah. So because this is the unlike fraction, so we must finding the LCM. LCM of 6 and also LCM of 8. Yeah, LCM of 6 and 8. Nah, LCM of 6, yeah, the multiple of 6. 6 times 1 becomes 6. 6 times 2 become 12. 6 times 3 become 18. 6 times 4 become 24. And so on. Nah, how about multiples of 8? Multiples of 8, it's mean 8 times 1 become 8. 8 times 2 become 16. 8 times 3 become 24, and so on. So we can get the LCM of 6 and 8. The LCM is 24. Yeah, so the LCM is 24. Now we can make the new fraction, because this is subtraction, so this is subtraction. Now look at, because 24 yeah, not 28. Oh my god, wait, this is 24. Okay, now because the LCM is 24, so in the bottom number is 24. This is 24. Now look at the first fraction. Yeah, look at the first fraction and the new first fraction. 5/6 become blah 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 24. Now look at the bottom. 6 times blah 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 become 24. 6 times 4. Yeah, because in the bottom times 4, so in the top times 4. Yeah, 5 times 4 become 20. So we can put number 20 here. Now, how about the second fraction? 3, 8 become blah 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 24. Look at the bottom. 8 times blah 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 become 24. 8 times 3. Good. 8 times 3 become 24. Because in the bottom times 3, so in the top number times 3. 3 times 3 become 9. So we can put number 9 here. Now after this, because the denominator is already same, so we can subtracting the top number. 20 minus 9 become 11. And then for the bottom number, still 24. So the answer is 11/24. B. Okay, the next is number 6. Yeah, number 6 is addition of mixed number. Yeah, how to adding the mixed number? The first one, you must grouping the whole number with whole number, yeah, and the fraction with fraction. The whole number with whole number, because this is the addition, so 2 plus 1. Now after this, grouping the fraction with fraction. 1/5 plus 7/10. Nah, after we grouping, so we can adding, yeah, adding the whole number with whole number and the fraction with fraction. The whole number first. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 become 3. Nah, and then this is plus. And then we can adding the fraction. Look at this. 1/5 plus 7/10. Yeah, we can look at this. This is the unlike fraction, so we must finding the LCM again. LCM of 5 and 10. So we must find the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. So 5 times 1 become 5. 5 times 2 become 10, and so on. And then multiples of 10, it's mean 10 times 1 is 10, nah, and so on. Yeah, we can get the LCM of 5 and 10. The LCM is 10. Yeah, the LCM is 10. So we can make the new fraction. Yeah, because this is the addition, so find the addition. Yeah. Now the LCM is 10, so in the bottom number is 10. Yeah. Now find the new fraction. The first fraction. Look at 1/5. 1/5 become blah 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 10. Yeah. Look at the bottom. 5 times blah 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 become 10. 5 times 2 become 10. Nah, because in the bottom times 2, this is times 2 ya. Because the bottom times 2, so in the top times 2. 1 times 2 become 2. We can put number 2 here. Now, after we get the new fraction for the first fraction, we go to the second fraction. 7/10 become blah 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 10. Look at this. Yeah, 10 times blah 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 become 10. 10 times 1. Yeah, because in the bottom times 1, so in the top number times 1. 7 times 1. 7 times 1 equals to 7. Now, after we get the new fraction, so we can adding, ya. This is already the like fraction, ya. The bottom number is already same. Nah, so for the whole number still 3. And for the fraction, we can adding the top number 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 become 9. And the bottom is 10. So the answer is 3 and 9, 10. Okay. Now look at this. This is true, yeah, because the answer is right. So we can get 2 and 1/5 plus 1 and 7/10 is 3 and 9/10. Okay, we go to number 7. Number 7, it's same with number 6, yeah. It's addition of mixed number. So the first one we must grouping, yeah, grouping the whole number with whole number and the fraction with fraction. Now, but look at the second fraction. In the second fraction, there is no whole number. Yeah, there is no whole number, so we only grouping number 1. Yeah, 1 and 2/3 plus 1/5. So we grouping the whole number with whole number and fraction with fraction. Because this is whole number only 1, so we can write only number 1. And then this is the addition, so we can adding. Now, after the whole number, the fraction. The fraction is 2/3 plus 1/5. Yeah. Now, because the whole number is only 1, so we can put number 1. And then we can adding the unlike fraction. Look at this. This is unlike fraction because in the denominator is not same. So we must find the LCM again. LCM of 3 and 5. Yeah, the multiples of 3 is 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, and so on. How about multiples of 5? 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15. Now, so we get the LCM of 3 and 5. It's 15. Yeah, the LCM is 15. Now, because the LCM is 15, so we must find the new fraction. Now, because the LCM is 15, so in the bottom number is 15. Okay, this is 15. Now look at the first fraction. The first fraction. Yeah, here. Yeah. So 3 times blah 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 become 15. 3 times 5. Yeah, 3 times 5 become 15. Because in the bottom times 5, also in the top number times 5. 2 times 5 become 10. Yeah, 2 times 5 become 10. So we can put number 10 in the top number. Now, how about the second fraction? 1/5 become blah 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 15. Look at the bottom number. 5 times blah 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 become 15. 5 times 3. Because in the bottom times 3, so in the top times 3. 1 times 3 become 3. So we can put number 3 here. Now, the fraction is already like fraction. Yeah, the bottom number is already same. So we can adding. Yeah. Now, the whole number still 1. And then for the fraction, we can adding. 10 plus 3 become 13. and the bottom still 15. So the answer is 1 and 13. Sorry, this is 3, yeah. 13, 15. Yeah, so the answer is 1 and 13 15th. Nah, the answer is A. The next is question number 8. Yeah, this is subtraction of unlike fraction. So we can subtracting. The first one is we must grouping the whole number with whole number and the fraction with fraction. Yeah, the question is 5 and 5/6 minus, this is 6, yeah, minus 2 and 3/8. Nah, so we must grouping whole number with whole number, fraction with fraction. Whole number here is 5 and 2 because this is subtracting, so 5 minus 2, yeah, the whole number. Okay, 5 minus 2. Nah, this is still plus, and then we can subtracting the fraction. The fraction is 5/6 and 3/8. Yeah, 5/6, yeah, minus 3/8. 3/8. Yeah, whole number minus whole number and fraction minus fraction. Yeah, so we can subtracting 5 minus 2 become 3. Yeah, and then we can subtracting the fraction. Look at this. This is unlike fraction because the denominator is difference. So we must find LCM. Yeah, LCM again. LCM of 6 and 8. LCM of 6 and 8. Nah, the multiples of 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. And so on. The multiples of 8, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 8 times 3, 24, and so on. Yeah. Now, so we find the LCM is 24. Yeah, this is the LCM is 24. Now, because the LCM is 24, so we must find the new fraction of this one, 5/6 minus 3/8. Now, because there is subtracting, so this is subtracting, yeah. The LCM is 24, so in the bottom is 24. Yeah, in the bottom is 24. Now, look at the first fraction. The first fraction. 5/6 become blah 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 24. Look at the bottom. 6 times blah 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 become 24. 6 times 4. Yeah, 6 times 4 become 24 because in the bottom times 4, so in the top times 4. 5 times 4 become 20. So we can put number 20 here. Okay, and then we can go to the second fraction. Yeah, the second fraction is 3/8 become blah 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 24. Look at the bottom. 8 times blah 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 become 24. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 become 24. So because in the bottom times 3, so in the top times 3. 3 times 3 become 9. So we can put number 9 here. Yeah. Nah. Look at this, the fraction, the bottom number is already same, so we can subtracting. The whole number still 3. And then we can subtracting the fraction. 20 minus 9 become 11. And for the bottom is still 24. So the answer is 3 and 11, 24. Okay. Okay, we go to number 9. This is about multiplication of fraction. Yeah, I think it's easier from the other material. Yeah. The multiplication of fraction. 3/4 multiplied by 1/7. So we can subtracting, yeah, the top number by top number. So 3 times 1, and then the bottom number with bottom number 4 times 7. Yeah, so 3 times 1 become 3, and for the bottom 4 times 7 become 28. So the answer is A. Yeah, is it easy? Okay, the last number 10, about division. Don't forget division, so you must invert the second fraction first. 4/5 divided by 5/6. Because this is the division, so you must invert the second fraction. The first fraction still same, 4/5. But the second fraction you must invert, 6/5. Yeah, from 5/6 becomes 6/5. After invert, so the division become multiplication. So it's same with the multiplication. For the top number, numerator times numerator, and for the bottom number, denominator times denominator. So 4 times 6, and then for the bottom is 5 times 5. Yeah, 4 times 6 become 24, and 5 times 5 become 25. Because this is the true false question, so look at the answer. 20, 30, is it right or no? No, so the answer is false.